Hi, I'm Kendra Hall, Public Information Specialist for the city's Environmental and General Services Department. Today, I'm going to tell you about our Household Hazardous Waste Program, or HHW for short. HHW is products labeled toxic, danger, poison, or flammable. These are potentially harmful to people, pets, and the environment. They should never be poured down the drain. If you're like many residents, you don't want to throw these materials in the trash, but you aren't quite sure what to do with them. Let me welcome you to our Household Hazardous Waste facility here at the Los Reales landfill. City of Tucson residents can drop off HHW here for free. Just make sure to bring proof of residency, like a current driver's license or a utility bill. If you are not a City of Tucson resident, you can still drop items off, but you will be charged a fee of $10. Items you drop off will be safely recycled, reused, or disposed of properly. Here is a list of items we accept through this program. When bringing in batteries, please pack each one separately because they can start a fire if they rub up against each other. When dropping off paint, it cannot be dried. If it is dried, just toss it into your trash. Please bring auto fluids and cooking oil in disposable containers that you don't want back. Now here's a list of items we do not accept through this program. Now, we have changed our hours of operation due to COVID-19, so please check the website on your screen for the latest updates and for commercial HHW information.